at this late for fucking 10 minutes. I should have took Hooper. What am I doing? I should have took Hooper Avenue. Just come back around. Freaking, I'm stupid. They still didn't freaking fix the light. It's been like this for freaking 4 hours since Rush. They can't freaking fix the guy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right like that. Yep. Come on, baby. Come on. Come on. Come on, come on. Don't slow down. Don't slow down. Don't slow down. Don't slow down. Come on, 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 come on. Fuck. God damn.
make an appointment, tell them Dental sent you. There's no prescription needed to get started. Trinity Rehab, 8.com, and find the location near you and get to them right away. Trinity Rehab, it's time to feel better once and for all. 800-518-0977.
Favorite hits. On New Jersey 101.5 and NJ 101.5.
Wait. Just wait. God. Seriously. What in the flying fuck? No. No. No, no, no.
Whatever you like. It's free and there's no catch. Don't get an unwanted surprise about your credit score. Go to creditkarma.com/radio. That's creditkarma.com/radio.
The $1 down and then $10 a month deal at Planet Fitness is now on through January 10th. That's $1 down and then $10 a month to be in the thumbs up emoji place. Yes, I just said thumbs up emoji.
could have been bad. That could have been real bad. Dude, no.
Productive place at the moment. Wind chill advisories continue overnight.
One, two, three, 4, 5, 6. 6 seconds. 6 seconds. What the fuck? Honestly, like, what the fuck? Oh my god, all I gotta go is to freaking Winterham Apartments. I'm not gonna take the Parkway and come all the way back. I'm not even gonna make this next light because it's 6 seconds. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Unbelievable. At this late for fucking 10 minutes. I should have took Hooper. What am I doing? I should have took Hooper Avenue. Just come back around. Freaking, I'm stupid. I still didn't freaking fix the light. It's been like this for freaking 4 hours since Rush. They can't freaking fix the guy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right like that. Come on! God fucking damn you, mother fucking shit. Oh my god. Yeah, fuck this shit. Oh my god. Yep. 10-mile radius.
Oh. $20 or $10, you said?
$20.
Have you tried their ramen bowl yet?
No.
Just wondering.
Do you want a menu?
No, I've got the menu.
You got the menu? Okay.
Yeah, we order there all the time. I just wondering because they
really
in the store itself they have the ramen. I just never tried it yet.
Oh, the new ramen fork.
Yeah.
Yeah. No, I don't usually. I usually get the pad thai.
I like the Thai basil wings.
Yeah, they're actually pretty good.
Here I am on the road again. There I am on the stage. Here I go. there I go.